You're going down, Kaylee. You're going down, Kaylee. What's up, guys? Welcome to ok4kidstv. Today we're gonna open up this Get Outside, Go Play booming sound and boom bash. And also thank you Toysmith for sending us these products. Yeah, this is Toysmith's product, and make sure to go check out all their toys. They're really fun. Okay, we're gonna open it up first, and then we'll go play with it. And it says 5 and up. So yeah, players 5 and up can play with this. But that usually doesn't really matter. You can play with it. Yeah. Okay. Nice. So here's one. This is the ball. No, it doesn't stick. Oh, it's supposed to. Oh. Basically what you do with this is it's like tennis. You just bounce it back and forth to your other player. Yeah. The other player. And I guess you try not to drop it. Yeah, and you could play try not to drop it, or you could see how much times you can. Or you can play lava ground. Whatever that is. And then so yeah, or you can play it like real tennis. So these are little bouncy like net fabric things. And it's very bouncy. It can bounce on the floor. And then there's this little ball holding all of it. So let's go outside and play with it. Come on. Oh. That's a good day. That's such a good one. Raise it in the air.
Okay, so here's the basic path. Whoa.
Get lost. Whoops. Nice shot. Iron Man.
Okay, now your turn. There you go.
The game is technically to pass the ball back to each other, or whatever this is. But so yeah, the only way you can really serve is like just by like dropping it, or like by hitting it up and then hitting it, or really that's it. Or you could just do this, you know. So it's something like tennis, or if you're familiar with badminton, it's like that too. So yeah, I think this is a really cool game, and kids. I think you guys should get this for your kids, or if you are kids, ask your parents, because like this is pretty cool stuff. Also, thank you for Toysmith for sending this to us. Right now we're having so much fun.
What the heck?
You're going down, Kaylee. You're going down, Kaylee, to the ground.
Okay.
See, make that one. It's pretty cool to play with. You can awesome.
If you like this, comment down below and like this video. Also subscribe down below and turn on our post notifications. Thank you, Toysmith, for sending these to us. We had so much fun today.
Oh.
Well, thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, smash that button, turn notifications, and give us a thumbs up. Bye, peace out, bye-bye. Kill it out.